Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Round Lake Beach, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a moving company that provides long-distance services. Whether within the state or across state lines, a long-distance move is over 100 miles from your current location. Moving your household items over long distances requires excellent levels of experience and expertise. Our professional movers pay a lot of care and attention to your belongings, and we assure our clients of the safety of their belongings. We work with the only best movers and moving equipment. We have a close relationship with both state and federal authorities in charge of long-distance moves. We also have licenses to transport your belongings over long distances, and you are in safe and capable hands when you hire our services. We are the best local movers anywhere around in Round Beach Lake. A local move also requires adequate preparation, and our local movers dedicate time to work with your schedule, preference, and budget. We have a lot of referrals from locals because of our affordable hourly rates for moving labor, and depending on some factors, we charge around $30 to $40 per hour. We also have excellent customer service and provide every assistance you need. 3 Movers is the only moving company in Round Lake Beach that offers top-of-the-line services at the lowest price. Ask the locals. We are their favorite. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Round Lake Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.